Hey guys, this is Manish from TradingSutra. Welcome back to our YouTube channel for another update of Index Nifty. Let's see where we are. So this is the chart of the Nifty, and as suggested in the previous video that this level of 9,380 to 9,400 is an important level, which is 38.2% retracement level of this whole downfall. As suggested in the video that holding below the level of 9,320, we should go short for a target level of this 9,040, and again holding the level of 9,040, one should go long for a target of this 9,300 zone. Now if we see carefully, Nifty is forming a corrective pattern. There is a triangular formation going on consisting 3-wave structure. Let me show you that. So here are the waves forming a triangular structure in a 3-wave up, 3-wave down fashion, and if we observe carefully, then this will be the last wave of this whole corrective pattern. So what should be the next strategy? The important level is this 9,000, that is the lower end of this channel and the lower end of this corrective pattern also. So if Nifty holds the level of 9,000, one should go long in the zone of 9,000 to 9,040, keeping a stop loss below the level of 8,900 for a target zone of this 9,300 and 9,400. If Nifty holds the level of 9,400, we can expect the higher target, that is 9,600 and 9,800 zone. So let's see how the Nifty will perform in the coming session. Till then, meet you in another video. Thanks.